All right, let's talk about the one habit that really builds genius. It's a whole new way of looking at success.
So what's the number one thing that predicts a kid's success? Is it their IQ? Their school? Nope.
Yeah, that whole born genius thing, it's pretty much a myth. Success isn't something you're born with.
In fact, as Dr. Dawai puts it, a child's upbringing is way more important than their genes.
So, what are those skills? Turns out, they're the very things that make us human.
Yeah, our brains evolved to master these 4 things, and they're all about social skills.
But here's the catch. Our modern world is kind of fighting against the way our brains are wired.
And the result is pretty shocking. In the US, 1 in 32 kids show autism-like symptoms.
And a big reason why, according to Dr. Dawai, is this shift from people to screens.
Basically, our brains are built for community, but they're being raised in digital isolation. That's a problem.
So are we just treating the symptoms like speech delay and missing the real cause here?
Which brings us back to the big question. It's not about memorizing facts or just being smart. The secret is actually a simple idea: serve to succeed, learning how to help other people.
And this creates a really powerful loop. When you help society, society helps you back.
So we really need to redefine IQ. It's not intelligence, it's our interactive quotient.
Okay, so what does this interactive quotient actually look like in real life? Let's take a look.
All right, picture this. A teacher drops a big stack of books right in the middle of class.
Now, a lot of kids might just laugh, but one kid gets up to help. That changes everything.
Right there, that kid built a powerful social bond. That is serve to succeed in action.
So as a parent, what are the early signs you should be looking for?
It's things like resilience, sharing, and just a real interest in people, not just things.
And these traits, they predict future happiness and success way better than any test score can.
So it really leaves us with one big question. Are we raising our kids for a test or for society?